spend the day with us. So it's me, Bryson, Rilo and Maiko, and this is just going to be what a normal day looks like, especially after all the tension between Maiko and Rilo. I nearly messed up so bad yesterday as well because I completely forgot I was supposed to be home as someone was coming to the house and this happened. Anyway, everything is good and this is the next day, so fingers crossed everything goes well. So I'm really happy about that. I managed to trust Maiko. He seems a lot better. I feel a lot less tense. So I'm sure everybody else does. So this is what a day looks like with us. I don't actually approve of having the dogs on the bed, but it's been so hot recently. I've had them in this aircon room and I just kind of letting it go for the minute. But personally, from my own experience, having powerful dogs like these guys, it can just make them a bit entitled. That's just my take. Obviously, each to their own. But anyway, every single morning I wake up, brush my teeth and take the dogs out straight away for around 30 minutes.
Wait. Too much energy this morning. Right, ready? Wait. Righto. Good boys.
So it's nothing too crazy, just a quick morning walk, about just over a mile I would say. It's just a nice way to start the day and it's good for them, it's routine. And what else would I be doing? Do you know what I mean? It's a healthy habit. Okay, so we've done just over 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put Maiko away and then I'm going to feed them.
Look at the drool for kibble. It's kibble.
Okay.
Good boy. Go. Okay.
Okay, so it's so hot at the moment. So I've got all the dogs in here with the aircon. Bryson and Rilo. That is naughty, Rilo. Don't look at me like that.
Some dirties in the Bryson.
Okay, so I haven't done an update for a while, so I thought that it would be good to show you guys what we get up to. We had a bit of a weird day yesterday. I'll show you the video, but anyway, I'm going to take them all out today. It's very hot. I've already managed to rack up nearly 11 miles and just cleaning the house, doing bits, you know, and yeah. Isn't it, Bryce? You been in the aircon? Everyone calm. I don't trust him today. Right, out. Out, have some water. Come on. Come on. Right, we're trying to maintain some calmness. Got Rilo in a sit. And I'm going to just wet Maiko. This is for your benefit. Okay, Rilo, go. To the gate. Okay, Rilo, go. Bryson, go. Myco. I definitely have to be very careful today. I can just tell that Myco doesn't trust Rilo after yesterday. There's definitely a bit of tension, so I've got to make sure that Rilo isn't making him feel uncomfortable, because I think that Rilo is a bit high energy and he's very conscious of Rilo, so got to keep everyone in line. That is a dead dog and it stinks, or a dead cat. Rilo, come. Bryson. It is hot, very, very hot. So we're just chilling in the shade. Okay, so there's definitely a bit of tension after what happened yesterday. I can just see Myco's just a bit stiff around Rilo, and Rilo just doesn't think any different. But I want to try and do some commands just to see if I can ease that tension a bit. Out! How do you even get in there? Come on. Come on, out. Bryson. Rilo, come. Out. Ah. Myco. Myco. Good boy. Sit. Right, Bryson. You're supposed to know better than that. Okay, Rilo, come. So I'm kind of creating as little tension on the leash as possible when he's around Rilo, just so he can make his own decision, and then I can, you know, not be creating any unnecessary tension and can correct him when needed. That's what I'm doing now. But I want to redo what I done, making them sit and do the command. It didn't go very smoothly, which means they're just not focused. Their head is in another place. Bryson! Ah! Bryson. Rilo! Myco. Bryson! Stay. That did not go how I wanted it to. He's just away with the fairies today. So I'm just gonna have a chill walk and go home. We're all hot and bothered. There's no point forcing anything. Okay, Michael. Good boy. Okay, so I'm really happy about that. I managed to trust Maiko. He seems a lot better. I feel a lot less tense. So I'm sure everybody else does. They are a reflection of how you feel after all, obviously, with some of their own wiring and that. Innit, Mike? Hello. Good boy. Hello. Maiko, no licking on you. Lovely. Okay, that's too much. Bryson, Rilo. .75 miles. That went really well. I definitely feel like we're back on track after yesterday. Oh, it's just so hot. I need to like wipe my whole face. But I'm very, very thirsty. And when you're doing these sorts of walks and just day to day, oh, you crave fizzy drinks so bad. Like anything, Coke, soda water. I need it. People were so against me neutering Maiko, but I generally think this is such a nice life. For me, sometimes I know when I die, I honestly feel like this is where I'm going to come back to, with the doggies, just walking here with the sunset, and neutering to give him that lifestyle where he can just, you know, be a happy dog in this environment. I don't feel like it can get that much better for him than that. Do you know what I mean? I know that sounds very cliche, but I just have these moments just walking. It's so peaceful. The birds, the goddamn insects. I seen an owl fly over me the other day, and birds of prey. Just once he is, you know, once he trusts me, once he trusts Rilo, it's going to be so good. I'm just taking it slow and no more messing up, I hope. So slow. Okay, go. Come on then, Bryson, go. You know what's coming. Go. Rilo. Good boy. Ah. Ah. Good boy. Hello. Oh. Come on, get away from my bum right now. Guava, sit. You okay? You sure you don't want your guava? Go on. Vitamin C. No. You want cuddles. Right, what are we doing here? Come on. Want to go outside? Oh my god, it's a hippopotamus. Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh god, that was scary. Okay. Not you now. We switched places. You're very lucky. Good night.